everyone, I'm Sarah with Child's Pose Studios, and this is your 30-day kids yoga challenge. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. This week, it's all about the standing poses. That is why I'm starting here, standing on my mat. I hope you guys are too. So, today's lesson is a really fun pose. It's called Star Pose. Now, to get into Star Pose, it's very easy. You've already been here before. Find your mountain pose. Nice, tall, strong mountain. Nice, tall, strong legs. Your back is lifted. You have that invisible string that's pulling your head all the way up to the sky. Now, to come into our star pose, we need 5 star points. The first 2 are easy. It's one leg and the other leg. Spread your legs out a little bit wider than the way you're standing now. Take a step out to the right and a step out to the left. And now my legs are kind of making a triangle. Nice, tall, straight back. Take a deep breath in. And lift your right hand and spread it all the way out to the side. It's almost like that string that was pulling your head up is now an invisible string on your finger, and it's pulling your arm all the way to the side. And now take your other arm and do the same thing. Pull it all the way to the other side. Now I have 4 points. My foot, my other foot, my arm, and my other arm. But I said there was going to be 5 points of our star. So where is the 5th point? My head. My head completes the 5 points of our star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So find your star pose. Nice, tall, straight backs. Lift your neck, lift your head, take a deep breath in. You guys look awesome. You are shining bright. That's it. That was Star Pose. Super easy to get into. You start in your mountain and you raise your hands up to those 5 points. All right, you guys finished your Star Pose. Keep it up. You are doing awesome. I can see your stars shining through the screen. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube. Follow along with the 30-day challenge, and I'll see you right here on the mat. Bye guys.